create an account or debtor customer, and then I'm going to show you how to process a sale on an account or debtor customer. We're not logging onto our sales screen today. We are on our home screen. So this is what the Posworx home screen looks like. And I'm going to select on the left where it says customers. And then I'm going to select new customer on the right. I'm going to add in a customer. Sales person. I'm going to add in a mobile number. We are in South Africa, so I'm dropping the 0 and I'm adding in a number. You can filter out as much information as you'd like on the screen. You can add in the sex of the customer, their birthday, their ID number, the salesperson. You can even enter in an email address here. I'm just going to filter in for now the name, surname, and the mobile number. I'm going to go to the next tab where it says details, and I'm going to give this customer a credit limit. So I'm going to set this customer's limit at 2,000 rands, and I'm going to click add on the bottom of the screen. It takes me back to my database of all my customers. I'm just going to search here for my customer that I've added. And here's my customer sales person that I've added in now. I can go into this customer and I can edit the customer's details. So I can always go back and add in an email address or add in their date of birth or sex if I haven't filtered it out the first time. I'm going to go to the last tab where it says addresses, and I'm just going to add in an address because I didn't previously. So I'm going to put 123 Durban Road. I'm going to click update on the bottom, and this information will update on my customer's name. You can go back in every time and click edit customer, and you can always filter out as much information as you'd like. I'm now going to show you how to process a debtor or an account sale. I'm going to log in using my fingerprint reader, and I'm going to type in a few codes. So I've typed in a few codes, and on my sales screen on the bottom it says debtor. I'm going to click debtor, or I could use the shortcut F6. I'm going to select on customer. I'm going to click on the search icon, and I'm looking for Brendan. So I'm going to search for Brendan. And here's my customer that I'm searching for. I'm going to double click on the name. And here it appears on the customer box. I'm going to select F5 or click F5 to conclude this sale. And that is how you would process a debtor or an account sale. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.